Audible probably isn't the first thing you think of when you want a new side job. As the biggest producer and seller of audiobooks in the world, Audible mostly attracts book lovers who would rather listen to a New York Times bestseller on their commute than their local radio station. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Has your favorite podcaster given you a link to a subscription service like HelloFresh or Squarespace while you were listening to a podcast? That's all there is to affiliate marketing. As an Audible affiliate, you promote their services by sharing a specific link on your social media, website, podcast, etc. If someone clicks on the link, they can sign up for a free 30-day trial of Audible. From there, all you have to do is share the link to the free trial and sign up as many people as you can. If you already have a following, it's even easier. You'll get $15 for each sign-up that works, which can add up quickly. Sign up to be an affiliate with Audible and get your link. Number 2. Create audiobooks. People who are creative might want to make their own audiobooks. It takes a lot more work, since books don't usually write or tell themselves, but the money you could make might be worth it. Audiobook Creation Exchange (ACX), Audible's platform for self-publishing, lets people make an account, upload their audiobook, and start making money with every sale. The books are sold on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, and usually cost between $15 and $25. Number 3. Sell Audible products and services. You don't want to make your own product. Assist Audible in selling theirs. You can sell audiobooks, ebooks, and any other of their products or services. Just make your own account, record yourself talking about the product or service, and post it to the platform. You get a commission for every sale, so you don't have to do any advertising. Number 4. Become a narrator. Hundreds of authors are looking for people to read their audiobooks, and if you have the right equipment, you can put yourself in the running. Narrators can use ACX to set up a profile and upload samples of their voice work. To make the best recording possible, you will need a good microphone. Once you've filled out your profile, you can start looking for books you'd like to read. For each project you want to do, you will record yourself reading from the script as an audition. If you are chosen, you will record and upload the whole audiobook. As a narrator, you can make money in 3 ways. Per finished hour, PF8, means that you get paid a flat rate for the whole book. You and the author or rights holder each get half of the royalties. Royalty share plus, PF8 and royalty share together. Depending on the subject, length of the book, and how well you do, you could expect to make between $500 and $5,000 per month narrating books. These are some frequently asked questions about making money on Audible. How much money can I make on Audible as an author or narrator? The amount of money you can make on Audible varies depending on factors, such as the length of your audiobook, the price point, and your royalty rate. However, authors and narrators can earn royalties ranging from 25% to 40% of the audiobook sale price. Do I need to have a published book to make money on Audible? No, you don't need to have a published book to make money on Audible. Audible's ACX program allows you to upload your manuscript and create an audiobook from scratch. You can either narrate it yourself or hire a professional narrator. How do I get started with Audible's ACX program? To get started with Audible's ACX program, you'll need to sign up as either an author or a narrator on the ACX website. From there, you can upload your manuscript, audition for audiobook projects if you're a narrator, or search for narrators if you're an author. Can I make money on Audible if I live outside the United States? Yes, you can make money on Audible, even if you live outside the United States. However, you'll need to ensure that you're eligible to receive payments in your country and comply with any tax requirements. How long does it take to make an audiobook on Audible? The time it takes to make an audiobook on Audible varies depending on factors, such as the length of the book, the complexity of the narration, and the availability of a professional narrator, if you're an author. However, on average, it can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months to produce an audiobook. As a narrator, you can audition for audiobook projects and get paid for your performance. So if you're looking to make some extra money or turn your book into an audiobook, consider checking out Audible's ACX program. Thanks for watching.